Hi, welcome to Caldana Tutorials. Today, you will be learning how to create a live session on the K-12 platform. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is log into your employee portal and you're going to find the icon that says My School Online. You shouldn't have to sign in again. It should automatically take you there. If not, you can just add your credentials. Now you will come to your dashboard. To the right, you will find where it says Quick Links, and you're going to search where it says Class Connect Sessions. Here, you're going to find where it says Create New Session. It's going to open a box where we're going to input all of our information. The first thing is the session type. If you click the arrow, you're going to see the different types that you can do. This is going to be for the first day of school, so I'm going to be doing a classroom session. Now you're going to find session name. Remember, this is what the students are going to see, so you want to put something friendly to them. For this one, I'm going to say practice attendance. The next thing is the instructional level. You can pick general, target, or enrichment. For this purpose, I'm going to put general. The moderator is the teacher who's going to be in charge of the session. You can click the arrow and find all the teachers in your school and click, for example, if you have a co-teacher or you're doing a session for somebody else. I'm going to leave my name there. For subject, you're going to click, and usually whatever subject you're doing, that's the one you will find. However, this is for the first day. We're just practicing our attendance, so I'm going to click other. Then it's course. Again, you will find the course you're going to be using on K-12, but since it is just for attendance, I'm going to click none. You would usually also put your unit and lesson. I'm going to put here attendance as a quick reference. And lastly is the program. Since none of these qualify for me, I'm going to put none and hit continue. Now I'm going to come to this calendar icon and I'm going to pick that day that I want the session to occur. I want it to be on Monday the 31st. And then here, I'm going to select the time. I'm going to make this one at, let's put 8:45 in the morning. Then you're going to have a duration time. You can click the arrow and pick how many minutes you think the session will be. Again, if you go past the time, nothing will happen. It will not close you out. I'm going to put 10 minutes here. And then lastly, you can repeat the session. If this is a session I will be doing every single day, I can come here and click daily, even weekly, or every other week. Since it's just practice, I'm going to put never repeat. Then I'm going to hit continue. Now, I'm going to add my participants. The first thing I'm going to do is click on students. You can also invite your coaches, other teachers, or administrators if you would like. Down here, you will see all your classrooms, which are reflected from your gradebook. Since I want all my students to attend the session, I'm going to look for my homeroom tab, and I'm going to click add. Down here, you can also put if the attendance is required or if it's optional. If for whatever reason you make a mistake, like for example, adding science that you didn't want, you can just click it and remove. Once everything looks good, you're going to hit continue. Now here you're going to review everything one more time. If everything is good, you're going to schedule the session. You're going to get a confirmation that your schedule was successful and you're going to click OK. If for whatever reason you did this as a mistake, you can hit delete and it will delete it for you. You can also view and edit it if you want to make any changes. But all you have to do is click First Day Introduction. Once you load it, it's going to take you straight to Neuro, which is what we're going to be using for our class sessions. Right now you cannot see me because I do have my camera locked. If I was to unblock it, you will see me here. And at the bottom, you will have different options. The first one is what you want to use for your camera. As you can see, I have the camera installed in my laptop, but I also have a USB live camera For the purpose of the class, I will be using my USB live camera. Here, the next one, you can pick what pro microphone you have. Some of you are not going to have all of these options because you might only have your microphone that's inside the laptop already. I'm going to be using my MacBook one. And then down here, it is the default output. Again, you can have the speakers. I'm right now using my headphones, so I will be leaving it at headphones, and you're going to confirm. Now, when you confirm, you will see your new role. Down here, you will have all your students. Obviously, I have nobody right now, so you're not going to see anybody. And you will always be here with TE, which is for teacher. On the side, you can also see all the participants. If you do not want to see this, you can also exit. But usually, I would leave it on. It's very helpful. You will have all your participants here, all your students, and this is where you can manipulate if you want to mute them or not. Usually that is what we want to do so it doesn't get loud. So here you have the mute all options. For whatever reason, if you don't know what all these buttons are, don't get scared. It's very easy. All you want to do is hover your mouse on top of it without clicking, and it will show you what it is. That concludes today's video. I hope it was helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be uploading a lot more videos as we explore together this new platform. This is Galdana Tutorials signing off.